welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're picking out plants for our garden. My uncle came by and tilled the garden for me, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the stuff we're going to get. Here go are some tomato plants. We're going to get tomatoes and cucumbers. And I think I'm going to get this one because it already has a tomato growing on it. She's looking at cucumbers. I'm going to show them what it looks like. And they're $3.47 for the plants here. You want bell peppers, Mimi, or jalapenos? What about bell peppers? Oh, this one, are those the tomatoes you want? This tomato has 2 of them on it. See? I think they're going to be the big ones. They look like they will be. No. Hold on. I think I'm going to get her to come look and help me. We'll just have 2 different types of tomatoes. You heard me, Mimi? You see any other ones? She sees eggplant. That one looks okay. Well, let's get that one. Here you go. This is what we got so far, y'all. We have a Bradley or heirloom tomato that already has one on it. Eggplant. Let's see, what is this? Got cucumber plant. And then a celebrity hybrid tomato. I didn't know which one would be better than me, so I just got both of the tomatoes. This is a hybrid tomato, celebrity hybrid. And the picture did, and that's a Bradley heirloom. It's right over here, see me? See, there's the Bradley one. And then this is the celebrity one. They're gonna look like that. Which one do you want? I was trying to go in that already had tomatoes on it. Oh yes, Sue said she wanted zucchini. Did they not have squash? You want banana peppers? Did you want banana peppers? Okay. No jalapenos this time or right now? Or we can get these. No, which tomatoes do you want? Oh, that's $5.88. We're not getting that. I feel like these ones will be bigger, so I'll put these back. The Bradley ones. I'll put them back. Where did I get this from? Oh, they got husky cherry tomatoes. It already has one on it. And that's a patio. I didn't get a little one. I got a big one. Okay. Well, you guys, that's all other plants that we got. We got tomato, cucumbers, eggplant, and zucchini. Okay, guys, I didn't notice this until I was editing the video, But when I was doing the garden, I ended up doing it wrong. So I was supposed to split up the plants that you see me planting right here into a whole line. And I just did them in one big circle. And I did the one next to it after this one wrong as well. It was also more than one plant. And I just put them all in one big thing. I didn't realize until my grandmother told me. So as you're seeing this is wrong. So I'll do an updated video later showing you how it's supposed to look. But we're just going to name this Gardening Day 1 Fail since I did it wrong.
Probably not, honestly. Don't bring them over here. Man, shouldn't did this. No, the rain, the dirt's all clunked together.
What?
Dirt's all clunked together because of the rain.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't get attached to it. Just in case.
Bubba, bring me the shovel.
What's up? When you get paid, you can buy the 4 cents back now.
Don't
Yeah.
bring them over here.
You like it, child?
Only in this video. Fathead. What are you talking about? I mean, Brody. Hello, Brody. Oh my God, little word.
He told you no, Bubba.
Leave him alone. Stop. Push him. Push him. Starting with the fact time. Homeless is that is a given. Chase him away, Sue. Sue, please get them. Oh wait, no.
Get out of my cats. Get out of the garden. Puppies.
Not doing the video.
Oh no. Brody.
Come here, Brody. 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 pushing me in the video, bro.
She came to help.
Grab him. Don't let him use the bathroom. They cry.
They want to help him if they just nosy. Come on, lady. Come here, boy. What is it?
No.
Me and Sue got mad because I was doing this to the boy.
I see that. Stop before you drop him.
The boy can't flip.
No, don't touch him. You gotta say you're coming to touch him. You gotta speak to him. Don't check you two. You're supposed to. Stop. You're supposed to be helping, aren't you?
We're supposed to be.
Bubba, you're supposed to be helping.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this boy big.
We didn't have the other bag of soil.
He's not gonna get in the video. Bro, move him away from me. Brian, you're the only one who hasn't done it in the video, though. Send him this way.
They help me.
Send him this way. For a bit.
You can dig holes. No, you said no.
Now grab on, dude. That's how Brian's like, nope.
I ain't did nothing.
Bring me the tomato and the tomato food.
It fell open. See how fast you are?
Sorry again, guys, for this fail of a video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.